Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best motion solar lights that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Clonner Solar Motion Sensor Outdoor Lights. This set of 6 lights is perfect for those looking to cover multiple areas around their home with a reliable, bright lighting solution. Each light is equipped with 149 high-power SMD LED beads, producing a brightness of up to 800 lumens. With a wide coverage of 322 square feet, these lights are ideal for illuminating spaces like your backyard, fence, or garage. The 120-degree wide-angle motion sensor is sensitive and activates the lights when movement is detected within 26 feet, ensuring added safety for your property. The design is compact and modern, built with durable ABS material that withstands wear and tear. The IP65 waterproof rating means these lights can handle rain and snow without compromising performance. The 3 lighting modes, medium light constant on, dim light sensor, and strong light sensor, give you flexibility to customize your lighting based on your needs. The efficient 22% solar panel ensures faster charging even on cloudy days, while the included 2-year warranty adds peace of mind. However, while these lights offer versatility and affordability with 6 units per pack, the brightness output is comparatively lower than other products on the list. They're best suited for smaller spaces or for users who need widespread coverage with moderate brightness. If you're looking for budget-friendly lights for general security and convenience, the Clonner lights are a solid choice. At number 4, we have the AOTEC New Solar Motion Sensor Lights. This 4-pack of step lights is designed for users who want reliable performance with versatile lighting modes. It features 3 customizable modes: permanent on, smart brightness control, and motion sensor light mode. The 120 LED beads deliver 500 lumens of bright light, covering a wide 270 degrees angle, making them perfect for areas like front doors, garages, or patios. The build quality is solid, with a durable plastic and fiber construction that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures these lights remain functional even in rain or snow. AOTEC's solar panel boasts a 20.5% conversion rate, providing efficient energy savings and longer runtime. The motion sensor is responsive within a range of 26 feet, enhancing security. The lights are compact but effective, blending seamlessly into outdoor spaces. While the brightness is slightly lower compared to higher-ranked products, the AOTEC lights excel in reliability and durability. They're ideal for users seeking affordable lights for smaller areas or for enhancing pathways and steps. If you prioritize ease of use and weather resistance, these lights deliver great value for the price. Coming in at number 3 is the LiWalt Solar Outdoor Lights. This 2-pack features an innovative 4-head design, offering exceptional brightness at 3,000 lumens with its 188 LED beads. The lights cover a wide 270 degrees angle and have an impressive motion detection range of up to 40 feet. Thanks to dual PIR sensors. Ideal for larger areas like backyards or patios, these lights provide robust security and visibility. The design incorporates high-strength ABS plus PC materials, ensuring durability and impact resistance. The tempered glass solar panel boasts an industry-leading 35% conversion rate, making charging faster and more efficient. The 3 lighting modes allow you to choose between motion-activated brightness, constant low brightness, or a combination of both. Installation is straightforward, with an easy-to-mount system that ensures flexibility. While these lights are incredibly powerful, the larger size and higher brightness may not suit smaller spaces. Additionally, the worn white light may not be as universally appealing as cooler tones. Overall, the LiWalt lights are a premium choice for users who need maximum security and illumination in expansive outdoor areas. At number 2, we have the ToughEnough Solar Outdoor Lights. This set of 2 lights offers an impressive brightness of 2,500 lumens, powered by 210 LED beads. The 270 degrees wide-angle illumination ensures comprehensive coverage, making them ideal for areas like courtyards, garages, and swimming pools. The PIR motion sensor detects movement up to 26 feet, activating the lights efficiently. The standout feature of the Tough Enough lights is the inclusion of a remote control, allowing you to easily switch between 3 lighting modes: strong light sensor, dim light sensor, and strong long light. The build quality is robust, with IP65 waterproofing ensuring durability in harsh weather conditions. The wireless design makes installation hassle-free, while the 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides reliable performance even on cloudy days. While these lights deliver excellent brightness and functionality, the remote control may not appeal to users who prefer simpler controls. Additionally, the brightness is slightly lower than the top-ranked product. However, for users seeking versatile, high-quality lights with remote control functionality, the Tough Enough lights are a fantastic option. Finally, at number 1, we have the TechNet 4200 Bel-Em solar lights. These lights are the brightest on our list, boasting an incredible 4200 lumens with 416 LED beads. The 3-sided design ensures a wide 300-degree lighting angle, illuminating areas up to 376 square feet. The advanced PIR motion sensor detects movement within 13 to 20 feet, making them ideal for front doors, garages, or gardens. The build quality is exceptional, with durable ABS material and IP66 waterproofing, providing protection against extreme weather conditions. The solar panel features a 27% conversion rate, delivering efficient energy savings and longer runtime. The 3 lighting modes, medium light all night, dim to bright motion, and sensor motion, offer flexibility for different use cases. Installation is straightforward, with multiple mounting options to suit your needs. While these lights are slightly bulkier, their unmatched brightness and efficiency make them the clear winner for users seeking top-tier outdoor lighting solutions. Whether you need security lighting or a reliable way to illuminate larger spaces, the TechNet lights deliver unparalleled performance and value. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.